food. I love it, you love it. For 100 years, the Good Housekeeping Institute has been helping us to decide what to buy in our weekly shop. They go to extremes, like eating vegan cheese, eating 400 mince pies, and hitting Easter eggs over the head with a hammer. I'm here at their state-of-the-art lab in Feltham. This is where all the magic happens. So we're going to see how the Good Housekeeping Institute tests and recommends products that end up in the magazine, online and in store. So come with me. Hi, it's Shazia. I'm here for all the free food. What's going on here?
So I'm running an expert alcohol taste test. I'm essentially assessing everything we need to dig out from these products before we send it to a panel.
So what do? You just taste them all one by one?
I will. So the little cap is obviously to keep the aroma in.
Yeah.
Give them a little swirl.
Yeah.
And then basically just assessing the aroma like that.
Yeah.
For spirits in particular, trying to keep it quite far from your nose so you're not burning all the hairs off inside. And then just a little sip. It's all about assessing it systematically. So going from nose to palate and then sort of the mouthfeel around it as well.
Should we have a go?
Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's start you off with maybe this one here. So this is a non-alcoholic spirit.
Okay.
It's using sort of a fermentation method to get a bit of a punchy aroma.
Lovely
from it.
colour.
Useful, right?
Very strong smell.
Yeah.
I do like this smell, but I can't identify it.
Yeah, and that's kind of the problem or the challenge we always have to face, which is why we've got so many things to train with. We've got some flavour wheels and tasting notes and stuff as well to try and help you pick out those flavours.
It looks like Ribena.
It does. Doesn't taste like it, though.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to have a sip?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, not the happiest face.
That's very bitter.
Super bitter and strong. Really big trend, though. Bitterness.
Is it?
Huge in non-alcoholic and alcoholic spirits.
I'm bitter enough as it is. And what are you working on right now?
So we're just gearing up to our Easter egg taste tests.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It is. Also looking for testers if you're interested.
Look no further.
Excellent.
Oh, right up my street.
Do you want to head over there now?
Yes,
Okay,
I would
cool.
love to.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
And here we are, the Easter egg testing room.
Wow. This is like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Hogwarts, and Alice in Wonderland all rolled into one.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe that you do this every day. Should we eat them all?
Let's do it. Do you want to grab a pair of gloves?
Yes.
Alrighty.
This is like a science lesson, isn't it?
Firstly, we're just going to assess the appearance a little bit, right? So, do you want to grab that one?
Yeah.
We're going to see if we've got a nice glossy finish or if it's a bit more matte. Sometimes this is down to personal preference of the maker, sometimes it's down to tempering.
Yeah.
Generally, a nice glossy egg is going to be quite good quality.
Okay.
Whereas a matter one, maybe not so. Now, crackability test. So
Yeah.
generally, a good quality egg should have a nice crisp snap to it.
Okay.
It's all about the tempering process and how the ingredients bond together.
Okay.
So, what are you going to do? Grab this one in this hand,
Yeah.
this one, nice big whack on the top.
Okay.
Okay?
So we're going to test its crack, yeah?
Testing its crack now.
Okay.
Way!
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, Kinder Surprise.
Hello. So, generally, we're going to assess the aroma, and it's in the mouth already.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine, but you really want to warm it up in your hands and melt it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
And you can probably eat another piece since we're
Oh,
here
yeah.
anyway. Yeah? Okay, cool.
It's quite tasty, you know.
All right, move on down. So, we're going to test the meltability of an egg. So obviously a good quality chocolate should melt really quickly. I'm going to do this one because I'm the expert.
Okay.
So the quicker the egg melts, potentially the higher level of cocoa, higher level of cocoa butter potentially. But equally, it might just be a different style of egg. Also, you can see on the front here,
Yeah.
all of the sugar artwork is melting first because obviously
yeah.
sugar melts and caramelizes a lot quicker.
And it's all catching fire.
It is catching fire. I wasn't expecting that one.
Oh.
leave that
Whoa.
Yeah, that's fine. Should we move on to the actual tasting section? So, We have assigned everything a 3-digit number to keep it nice and secret from you.
Okay.
If you're able to see the brand name, it might affect you a little bit more. With these, we're going to take a little piece, we're going to assess it on aroma and flavour.
Okay.
So what we did before, we're going to rub a bit between our hands,
yeah.
pop it in the mouth, try and make as much noise as you can when you're eating as well.
Really?
So as much air as you can get in there as possible round the product.
Okay.
You get loads of different notes coming out there as well.
Okay.
Okay. I know what this one is. It's an old favourite, so see if you like
Is it? Oh, I can smell chocolate on this.
Yeah? Quite cocoa.
Oh, yeah. I know what this is.
What is it?
This is a Cadbury's cream egg.
Yes!
I'm an expert
Well
already.
done. You are an
Let's pause here and explore deeper how we choose our taste test winners. In the lab, we rate every product on taste, texture, and aroma. We also ask a panel of readers to try them and give us their honest thoughts. They test everything from sausage rolls to meal kits. We then combine all the feedback to give each product a score out of 100. Next, our team of editors gets to work turning those reviews into content for the magazine and online. So, if you type best Easter egg into Google, you'll get our article. Not all food passes our rigorous taste tests, but the products that do get to proudly display the GHI Taste Approved logo on their packaging.
Here we are, the final test.
Okay, let's do it then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the smash test.
Right.
It's actually not a great deal of points to this. It's just a bit of light stress relief after all that testing.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna
How
hold
do you
this
like
straight.
your eggs in the morning, Callum? I like mine smashed.
Let's go.
Woo!
How was that?
Oh, it was great. You know, I've eaten so much chocolate, I'm surprised I can get down the ladder. Oh, you know, I feel like I'm an expert now. Call me Dr. Chocolate.
All right, Dr. Chocolate. I think you've earned this official Good Housekeeping Institute lab coat.
I've always wanted one from the moment I came in here.
Well, you've earned it.
This is fantastic. I think I'd like to go and discover what else there is to test in here.
All right, get out of here, Dr. Chocolate.
OK, thank you. That was bonkers in there, but I'm obviously a great tester, so I'm going to see how I can top that, and I'm going to go and test some more stuff. It's nice and white. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, definitely working. These some kind of electronic animals. Whoa, what's going on in here?
We are preparing all of our roast meats and roast mains for our Easter taste test to tell you what's best for your Easter Sunday roast.
Do people have everything together like that? Do they have the salmon with the potatoes and test it as a meal? Is that what they do?
We actually make people do all one kind of thing so we can really get a good comparison and contrast between them. So either all salmon, all lamb, all roast potatoes.
To be honest, I didn't realise how much effort and intricacy goes into tasting this food. So, do you know what? I think I'm going to hang up my lab coat and just leave this to you because you're the actual expert. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you. It's been a real roller coaster here today at the Good Housekeeping Institute. There's been ups and downs, but I've shown you today the lengths they go to bring you the very best for your table. Yeah, it went really well. But just one thing, how do I get home?